Hey there, buddy. Thomas with Basic Amp Trading. It is Tuesday, May 5th, and we're going to take a look here at FTNT, FTNT, and this is a trade I'm currently in right now. Now, I want to point this out really quick. They do have earnings coming out tomorrow, so just be aware of that. But I do think that FTNT has potential to really start to run here, assuming they don't just mess up and kill it with earnings. And that is because we have a really nice weekly breakout here. So we broke down back in July of last year or August of last year and sold off, and then we've been chopping in this channel on a weekly basis ever since, just ranging between 73 and 88. And we finally popped through the upper end of that range. So what we want to watch for with this specifically is, can we close the week outside of this range? And ideally, we close the week above 90. But if we close above 88.60, it's still game on. And like I said, I'm already in this trade. I got in yesterday when it first broke out. And have already taken off partial profit. But I'll look to put on a full-size position as long as we don't gap too far off of earnings. And the first thing that we'll be looking for is for a move up to this $100 level. So it's looking good so far. It's looking really good so far. If we can get a strong close, assuming they don't, again, die off of earnings on Wednesday night, we'll look for a push up to the $100 level. If we get through that, we could see this very easily push back up to like the 108 to 110 area where the previous highs were. So keep an eye on it. Overall, the setup looks really good. Again, nice channel we've been inside of for several months, almost an entire year. We've finally broken out of it. We want to see a strong close this week and then follow through next week and the week after. But keep an eye. Again, FTNT. Like I said, I'm in it right now. If you want to get in these trades with us live, though, in the trading room, all you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join. You can try us out for an entire 30 days for only $7. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.